Another rally tonight in Hong Kong. Thousands are gathered at Edinburgh Place to show support for arrested activists that were sent to San Uk Ling holding centre. Detained protesters have allegedly suffered abuse there.
Yesterday, Chief Executive Carrie Lam pledged that arrested protesters would no longer be held at the facility. Hong Kong police say over 20 people were arrested this week for offences including possessing offensive weapons, illegal assembly and for attacking the police.
Nearly 1,600 people have been arrested since protests started in June. In the latest press briefing today, officials warned students against taking to the streets and breaking the law, highlighting that more than a quarter of those arrested so far are students from secondary schools and tertiary institutions. And the number, well, it's on the rise. Our correspondent, Afifa Arifin, tells us what the protesters are planning for the next couple of days.
We are hearing that there will be a lot more protests and rallies happening over the next couple of days. In fact, tomorrow there will be a rally planned by the Civil Human Rights Front to commemorate the 5th year anniversary of the Occupy Central movement that took place back in 2014. Now, the organizers of that rally have been given the letter of no objection by the police. They say that they estimate only 1,000 people will turn out for the rally, according to police. Now, the police have said that they will be there to facilitate crowd management. But as we know, rallies organized by the Civil Human Rights Front in the past have managed to mobilize hundreds of thousands and sometimes more than 1 million people to the streets. So we have to see whether the numbers would be that tomorrow. The police have not specified how they would handle the situation if indeed the number of people who turn up tomorrow exceed 1,000 estimated. But it did ask the organizers, the Civil Human Rights Front, to alert them if they do estimate that the numbers would go beyond 1,000 people. Now, in the coming days, we're also expecting more protests and rallies to take place here in Hong Kong in anticipation of China's 70th anniversary on the 1st of October. Now, the police did not specify what sort of security arrangements they will make, citing operational reasons, but they did appeal to organizers that if they do want to hold any rallies or marches, to seek police approval. And they also asked everyone who wants to participate in these rallies to ensure that the gatherings will remain peaceful.